Walking is one of the simplest yet most powerful habits you can build, especially after the age of 50. It doesn't require a gym membership. It doesn't require complicated equipment, and it doesn't take hours of your day. Yet, when done consistently, walking can improve your heart, strengthen your muscles, support your joints, boost your mood, and even help you live longer. But here's something most people don't realize. Walking alone is not enough. How you walk matters just as much. Many people walk every day, but they unknowingly make small mistakes that reduce the benefits or even cause discomfort over time. These mistakes may seem minor, but repeated daily, they can lead to poor posture, joint pain, low energy, and slower progress. So in today's video, we're going to break down 5 common walking mistakes people over 50 make, and more importantly, how to fix them, so walking becomes one of the most powerful tools for protecting your health. Stay with me until the end, because the last mistake is one of the most overlooked, and fixing it can completely change how your body feels. Why walking becomes more important. After 50, before we dive into the mistakes, let's take a moment to understand why walking becomes even more important as we age. After the age of 50, your body naturally begins to change. You may notice a gradual loss of muscle mass, increased stiffness in your joints, slower metabolism, reduced circulation. These are normal parts of aging, but here's the key point. These changes are not fixed. They can be slowed down significantly, and one of the easiest ways to do that is walking. When you walk regularly, your heart becomes more efficient, your muscles stay active and engaged, your joints continue moving through their full range, your brain receives better blood flow. This improved circulation supports memory, focus, and mental clarity. Walking also helps regulate blood sugar, reduce stress, and improve sleep. In other words, walking is not just exercise, it's daily maintenance for your entire body. But again, only when done correctly. Let's look at where most people go wrong. Mistake number 1, starting too fast. This is one of the most common mistakes and one of the easiest to fix. Many people step outside and immediately begin walking at a fast pace. It feels productive. It feels like you're getting straight to the point. But your body doesn't work like a machine that can instantly switch to high speed. When you start too fast, your muscles are still tight, your joints are not fully lubricated, your heart rate rises too quickly. This sudden stress can feel uncomfortable, and over time, it increases the risk of strain or fatigue. Think of your body like an engine. You wouldn't start a cold engine and immediately push it to full speed. You let it warm up. Your body works the same way. The fix. Start every walk with a gentle warm-up phase. For the first 3 to 5 minutes, walk slowly, breathe naturally, let your body ease into movement, then gradually increase your pace. This not only protects your joints and muscles, it also improves your endurance and makes your walk feel smoother. Mistake number 2, poor posture. Now let's talk about posture, something many people overlook. Take a look around the next time you're outside. You'll likely see people walking with their heads tilted forward, their shoulders rounded, their eyes looking down. This posture may feel natural, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting or using a phone. But over time, it creates serious problems. When your head moves forward, it places extra strain on your neck. Your upper back muscles become overworked. This leads to stiffness, tension, and even chronic pain. But that's not all. Poor posture also affects your breathing. When your chest is compressed, your lungs cannot fully expand. Your oxygen intake is reduced, and less oxygen means less energy, less endurance, less overall benefit from your walk. The fix. Make a small but powerful adjustment. Keep your head up. Look forward, not down. Relax your shoulders and pull them slightly back. Imagine a string gently lifting the top of your head. This simple image helps align your spine naturally. Also, let your chest open slightly. This allows deeper breathing. Over time, good posture will feel natural, and your walks will feel easier and more energizing. Mistake number 3, wearing the wrong shoes. Now let's talk about something many people ignore. Your shoes. The truth is, your entire walking experience depends on what's under your feet. As we age, the cushioning in our joints becomes more important, and wearing the wrong shoes can create unnecessary stress on your body. Common problems include worn-out soles, poor arch support shoes that are too stiff or too loose. These may seem like small issues, but over time, they can lead to knee pain, hip discomfort, lower back strain. Some people choose shoes based only on appearance.
Others keep using the same pair long after they've lost their support. The fix: choose walking shoes that provide good cushioning to absorb impact, proper arch support to keep your foot aligned, a flexible sole for natural movement, and just as important, replace your shoes regularly. If your shoes feel flat, uneven, or uncomfortable, it's time for a change. Investing in the right shoes is one of the simplest ways to protect your joints. Mistake number 4, walking inconsistently. This is a big one. Many people believe that one long walk per week is enough to stay healthy, but the human body doesn't respond well to occasional effort. It responds to consistency. When you walk regularly, your muscles stay engaged, your heart adapts, your metabolism improves. But when you walk only once in a while, your body never fully adjusts. The benefits remain limited. Think of it like this: health is built through repetition, not intensity. The fix: instead of walking once a week, aim for 20 to 30 minutes most days. Even shorter walks are helpful if done consistently. You can break it into 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the evening. Consistency creates rhythm, and rhythm creates results. Mistake number 5, walking while looking at your phone. This is a modern habit that affects millions of people. Walking while looking at your phone may seem harmless, but it creates 2 major problems. First, posture. When you look down at your phone, your head tilts forward, your shoulders round your spine becomes misaligned. Second, awareness. When your attention is on your screen, you are less aware of your surroundings. Your risk of tripping or losing balance increases. Walking should be a time when your body and mind are connected. The fix: put your phone away while walking. Use this time to focus on your breathing. Notice your steps. Observe your surroundings. This not only improves safety, it also turns walking into a relaxing, mindful activity. Bonus section: the power of recovery. Even though walking is low impact, your body still needs recovery. Recovery is what allows your body to improve and adapt. Simple habits can make a big difference. Doctoring enough water. Stretch gently after walking. Allow rest days when needed. Think of walking as part of a complete system. Movement plus hydration plus recovery equals long-term health. Final thoughts. Walking remains one of the safest, simplest, and most effective exercises available. It supports your heart muscles, brain, overall well-being. But the key is awareness. Small changes in how you walk can lead to big improvements in your health. Remember, walking is not about speed. It's not about competition. It's about building a habit you can sustain for years. Because in the end, your health is built through small daily choices. Call to action. Now, I'd like to hear from you. How long do you usually walk each day? 10 minutes? 20 minutes, or 30 minutes or more? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, practical health tips.